Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen modules in Python, and in today's video we are going to see date and time module in a Python. Okay, so date and time is not a data type. Okay, so first I'll just import date time. So this date time comes by default with Python. Okay, you don't need to install this package. And here, to print full date and time, okay, full current date and time, okay, we can do something like this. So I'll say a equals to date time dot date time dot now, oops, now, and print a. Okay, so you can see this to got me current date and time, right? Okay, so this is done. I'll comment this out, and if you want to see only year, then you can do something like this. I'll just write year, current year. Okay, I'll uncomment this a variable because we need that, and here I can write a dot year. I will just wrap this in print statement, so it will print the value also. You can see 2022. Okay, now if you want to print current day, okay, then you can do something like this: print a dot strf time, and in parentheses I will just pass percentage and capital A. So this will return current day, which is Friday, and this is absolutely true, right? Okay, now this is done. What if you want to pass your own date? Okay, so you can do that also. For that you need to use DateTime class, which is this one. Okay, so here I will just I will create my own variable, which will be b equals to DateTime dot DateTime, oops, DateTime. Okay, and in parenthesis I will first pass year because the syntax is year, month and date. After that you can start writing hours, minutes, second if you want to pass more information. Okay, so I am just writing year, so I'll say 2000. Okay, then month is 04, then date is 21. Okay, now if I go ahead and print this, I think I got error. What's the error? Has not closed. Why did I have closed that? Okay, let it be, we will see. I'll just print it. I'll say B and I will run this. Okay, I need to write 4, not 04. Okay, and it should run now. You can see I got my own custom date, and I have not provided time, so it is just going to show you 000000. Okay, now I will comment this and write comment about this as custom date and time. Okay, now let's perform this same operation on this custom date. Okay, so if I want to see what was the day on 2000, okay, 2004-21, like in April month, so I can just write b dot strf time, and okay, on 21st 2000 and April, sorry, on 21st April 2000, it was Friday. Okay, if you write b over here, then it will return you the month. Okay, you can see April. Okay, so I hope you got the idea right about this DateTime module. So like this percentage A and percentage B, we have some more parameters. Okay, I will display that parameters on at the end of this video. Please go ahead and look at it and try it by your own, and I will also give a link in a description where you can see those parameters examples, and you will get those parameters on W3 schools. Okay, but I'll paste that link in a description. So I hope you got idea about this DateTime module, and yeah, this is it for today's video guys. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and bye. Thank you.